Hello from Canada. This is Gail, Gillingham, Wylie. I will be demonstrating my basic first session with a client on June 24th. The client who has agreed to do this with me is a man in his 60s who has developed tremors and would like to investigate the blockages in energy flow that may be causing them. Due to the fact that my date was changed, I may be doing this session in person with him or through subspace, depending on his schedule. I will be demonstrating the steps that I follow with all of my first sessions, as well as pointing out the different places on the screens I look at to give me suggestions as to what is going on in the body, as well as what we need to work on. I look forward to spending this time with you all. Thank you.